Hi, I'm Bridget from E-Cloth, and today I'm going to show you our new Easy-Click Mop System. The Easy-Click mopping and dusting system is great. We have a few different combinations you can purchase. There are two types of handles, the traditional telescopic pole and the spray pole. Both handles can connect to the two different bases, the standard base and the mini base, and the multitask duster head. All our mopping products clean any type of hard flooring incredibly well using only water. The blue mop head has a hook and loop base. I pull the mop head off, I run it under warm water of the faucet, and I get it nice and wet. I then wring it out just a little and then reattach to the base. You are then ready to start mopping your floors. After I know the mop head is probably dirty, I take it off from the hook and loop and I rinse the mop out under the warm water of the faucet. You will see the dirt come out, and when I see the dirty water, it's very rewarding to me because I know it is cleaning my floors. Once the warm water runs clear and clean, I reattach it and continue with the same floor cleaning process until I'm finished. The E-Cloth mop head is very absorbent and keeps your floors from getting soaking wet like traditional mops. There are two different sizes of mop heads, the standard and the mini. The mini is great for small spaces like city apartments, travel trailers, RVs, etc., as well as for cleaning around your toilet. The other great feature that goes with the Easy-Click mop is a duster head. It fits on the same telescopic pole and is efficient at grabbing all the dust around your home or office. The duster head snaps onto the pole and can reach areas up high. Once you see it needs to be cleaned, you can just take your vacuum and vacuum the dust right out of the head. I like to hand wash mine. I use minimal soap and then I just line dry it. The fibers of the dusting head are fragile and I don't like to put them in the washing machine or dryer. Our Easy-Click spray mop is another option. You fill the canister with water and then use the spray function on the handle of the mop. With the spray option, you can use it to add water to the mop head, especially if you have stubborn area to clean. Because our mop head is super absorbent, having the spray option to keep it wet is a nice feature. After I'm done cleaning my floors, I take the head off, rinse it out thoroughly, and put it in the washing machine with regular laundry detergent. No bleach, fabric softener, or dryer sheets, and then I put it in the dryer. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below to let us know how much easier cleaning is with the Easy-Click system. See you soon.